Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, and most importantly our graduands, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you to the Barbican Centre this morning for this graduation ceremony, this long-awaited graduation ceremony. My name is John Watkins. I am the University of Law's Director of Employability, and it's my pleasure to welcome you this morning and just to run through a few preliminary announcements before we get proceedings underway. There are a few proceedings which are slightly changed as a result of the world we're living in, and a few that are very familiar. That most important one, to have your phone switched off, or at least down to silent, please, so that we don't interrupt any proceedings. If there should be an emergency of any description, then our colleagues from the Barbican Centre will guide us out of the auditorium safely. They are the ones that are wearing T-shirts and tops with the word Barbican on, so we'll follow their instruction. When it comes to collecting your award today, in terms of the graduands, I noticed that not many people in front of me have a mask on, so this may be a fairly unnecessary comment, but as you do come up to the front, if you are wearing a mask at the moment, you may feel free to remove it so that any photographs are suitably captured without the mask on. We have moved into new times in terms of the formalities, so there will be no shaking of hands when we get to the coming up onto stage, but instead a small bow from you to the Deputy Vice-Chancellor. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will bow back to you, so no elbows or fist pumps or any other form of communication and contact. We could see some quite creative things, I'm sure, but we'll leave that today. You will see on the red carpet in front of you a blue cross. That is where you should stand when you get up onto stage, having done your bow and then come back to a normal standing point, looking up to the gallery up there for where the photograph will be taken. So a nice big smile, looking up in that direction when you get there. For those of you who wish to take photographs, and we know this is a big occasion for photographs, please refrain from using flash photography during the course of proceedings. There will be ample opportunity during the course of the day to hopefully capture all those memories that will be part of a celebration like today. So, without further ado, once the musicians start replaying, then the platform party will make their way in from the door behind you. At that point, everybody in the auditorium, please stand up and get ready for the celebration that will unfold thereafter. Thank you very much and enjoy the day.
Graduands, university colleagues, proud parents and friends, on behalf of the Chancellor and Chairman of the University and all my colleagues, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you to our November 2021 graduation ceremony here at the iconic Barbican Centre. I think we need a round of applause as we are all here today. For myself and my university colleagues, graduation is one of our favourite days of the academic year. To say we are filled with pleasure and pride welcoming our graduating students today is a true understatement. We are simply delighted. This is especially the case after the challenge of the past 18 months, when you've had to cope with unprecedented challenges to both your education and daily lives. But the fact you are here today is a celebration of your success and resilience. Your success is our mission. Seeing you all here today is a culmination of a unique partnership between you as brilliant and incredibly hard-working students and ourselves as your tutors, lecturers and mentors. We have been privileged to be part of your lives, and we hope you'll remain part of the family of the University of Law as our alumni in the future. Today is all about celebrating the achievements of you, our graduating students. So I am not going to speak for too long, but I hope that what I do say will offer you encouragement and as you continue on the next exciting phase of your careers and journeys. To the graduands assembled here, I offer my congratulations on behalf of everyone at the university for the success that we are celebrating. You've now moved into a new chapter of your lives to further study, traineeships, pupillage, paralegal work, business management, or another diverse career. You have worked so hard to be here. You set out to do something that not many get to achieve, and you made it. The question is now, what do you do with it? Your law and business degrees are incredibly valuable assets, and the opportunities now before you are limitless. So I offer you first some practical advice and then thought on how you use your legal and business expertise. The best practical insight I can give you is from my own experience. Life will throw many challenges your way. Its tests and trials may be big or small, fair or unfair, but in coming through them, you will emerge stronger. While we celebrate success today, it's also important to acknowledge the many life's lessons are learned in failure. And as a result, you must not be scared or thrown by it. In fact, failure is just a part of the path to greater success. In the form of understanding yourselves and others, in learning new things and in finding your true value to this world. Looking back for a distance of 30 years, to when I was sitting in your seat, experience has showed me that kindness, collaboration and dedication will help you achieve your goals. Nelson Mandela, one of the greatest figures of modern times and a London-trained barrister, offered the following observation. I learned to have the patience to listen when people put forward their views. Even if I think those views are wrong, you can't reach a just decision in dispute unless you listen to both sides. So on graduating today, you join an illustrious list of alumni, leading minds in both law and beyond. These include former Mayor of London, Dame Fiona Woolf, legal entrepreneurs like Elliot Chalmers, owner of the first ever independent music law site for musicians in the UK, policymakers, politicians from across the spectrum, including Lord Mayor Sadiq Khan, Hazel Blairs, Maria Eagle, Sherry Blair, Harriet Harman, the current Mother of the House of Commons, Charles Faulkner and Baroness Saidi Varsi. Then there are leaders of business like Nick Connor, the MD of Volvo, and Rachel Vang of Chocolate Films, a former Entrepreneur of the Year. Also, outstanding sportsmen and women, including Eni Aluko, who has played football for England, and Johnny Surreal, the Olympic gold medalist in rowing. You are indeed in very good company. I offer you these examples only to remind you that there is no limit to what you can achieve. An achievement does not need to be marked by attention-grabbing headlines. To the contrary, true achievement is to pursue your lives and careers with the same gusto and integrity with which you have pursued your studies. You have chosen a path that allows you to be transformative. Then be inspired and make a difference. A career in law or business, with it brings potential for profound impact and influence both society and individuals. This is particularly true at the moment in great times of change and challenge and the uncertainty of the world that we live in today. Whatever route you pursue, with it comes privilege and the duty to serve others. I leave you with the words of the former US President Barack Obama, himself a lawyer. Keep exploring, keep dreaming, keep asking why. Don't settle for what you already know. Never stop believing in the power of your ideas, your imagination, and hard work to change the world. I wish you all the very best. Enjoy your day and enjoy your celebrations. Thank you.
I call upon Sandy Gaines to present the students from London Bloomsbury for the award of their degree.
Vice Chancellor, I present to you and the whole university, the students from the London Bloomsbury campus, the award of Bachelor of Arts in Business Management. Samit Ali. Aziz. Rayan Buras. Javonbek Jabarov. Viron Leontaris. Yasin Öztusan. Maria Pascu. Laura Vasilak. Aslan Zahid. And now I present to you the students for the award of Bachelor of Laws with Business. Dan Buttanare. Farah Dahu. Anna Lena Litcher. Anna Lena Litcher. Andrew Murray. And now I present to you the students for the award of Bachelor of Laws with Criminology. Nadia Arshad. Zara Bandar. Kieran Chima. Danica Hill. Shahad Karim. Bethany King. Annabelle Williams. And now I present to you the students for the award of Bachelor of Laws with International Business, Safra Amelia Hogden. Dayu Park. Radu Shivam. Demetria Azanova. And now I present to you the students for the award of Bachelor of Laws and Master of Laws in Professional Legal Practice, Annabelle Atwell. Natasha Goodwin. Katie Huntley. Amber Shaw. Callum Shaw. And now I present to you the students for the award of Bachelor of Laws and Master of Science in Law, Business and Management. Julia Morelli. Jade Nelson. Miriam Saghir. And Leah Terry. And finally, I present to you the students for the award of Bachelor of Laws. Hamda Sadi Aiden Dirir. Damilola Adinakan Banjo. Nana Aduaku. Hafsa Ahmed. Rubel Ahmed. Amin Akavan Bazaz. Eman El Tamimi. Kyle Bry Aiken. Abia Arter. Christian Barrow. Saron Bilay. Zenita Black. Elise Bland. Alessandra Bocuzi. Regan Bryan. Layla Brill. Nevrire Bunyaku. Abby Kane. Tara Kapow. Ash Chandra Haran. Anjum Chowdhury. Akro Dada Baev. Curran Darve. Ramon Dawkins. Reese Deacon. Adam Dimmock. Renee Janjo Caesar.
Deputy Vice-Chancellor, I present to you and the whole university a pre-recorded video message from the Chancellor, the Right Honourable the Lord Newberger of Abbotsbury, who unfortunately is unable to be with us today.
My name is David Newberger, more formally Lord Newberger of Abbotsbury, and I'm Chancellor of the University of Law. I want to congratulate you on graduating from the University of Law. I admire and envy you. I admire you because you've worked hard and stuck at it and are now reaping the rewards of your commitment. I envy you because you're about to leave the world of secondary education. You are the future, whereas I am the past. However successful and lucky I've been, it's mostly behind me, whereas your future is ahead of you, and with all of its uncertainties, the world is full of opportunities. Of course, life is always uncertain, but the uncertainties seem especially great now, with COVID-19, Brexit, climate change, and political uncertainty. But even in less threatening times, life can be challenging, as I discovered. I had studied science at university and didn't get a terribly good degree. On realizing I couldn't be a very good scientist, I became an investment banker. But if I was a bad scientist, I was a worse banker. And after talking to some friends, I decided to become a lawyer. I qualified as a barrister. And in those days, it was relatively easy to get a pupillage, a sort of legal apprenticeship. I did successive six-month pupillages in 3 different sets of chambers, and in each of them, at the end of 6 months, somebody else, not me, was taken on in those chambers. So after my 3rd unsuccessful pupillage, I felt I'd got precisely nowhere, and at the age of 27, 8 years of my life had simply been wasted. I had a last go at what were then not so good set of chambers. They took me on, and the people and the work suited me terribly well. I was lucky enough to become a QC and then a judge, and I got right to the top of the judging tree. Became president of the Supreme Court. Now let me share with you very briefly some of the lessons I learned. First, and above all, don't give up. Nothing is guaranteed, but grit and determination and high spirits will get you a long way. It's how a person deals with failure which marks them out. Secondly, although no fun at the time, adversity is actually good for you. I know it toughened me up and made me appreciate my success all the more when it came. Thirdly, what appear to be setbacks, even disasters at the time they happen, often turn out to be very good for you, very promising when you look back. Fourthly, luck plays a part in everybody's life. Although, it must be said, hard work, intelligence, commitment, and honesty all help improve your luck enormously. Fifthly, both in times of adversity and in times of success, keep your sense of proportion and your sense of humor. Nothing lasts forever. Whatever worries you have about the future, I believe and hope that you should find that your time at the University of Law, with the practice-based skills it teaches, will open many doors for you, including doors which you may not have thought of, and even doors which appear at the time to be firmly locked. Sometimes where you end up will not be by choice, but as I've said, what appears to be an unwelcome turn of events often turns out to be a very lucky break. Some of you will end up doing work which is very different from what you expect, often in other areas, and that is good because your training will be of great benefit. So to every graduating student today, I say, very well done so far, congratulations on your degree, and I wish you all the very, very best for the future. Thank you.
I call upon Sandy Gaines to present the students from London Bloomsbury for the award of their degree.
Deputy Vice-Chancellor, I present to you and the whole University the students from the London Bloomsbury campus for the award of Bachelor of Laws. Joseph Eaton. Amira El Hanachi. Eritruvi Eribor. Mariam Ashak. Ewan Evans. Suzanne Fake. Ebony Fleming. Georgina Freeman. Georgina Friswell. Jasmine Zoe Gaylor. Ozgi Gabuz. Reem Abdul Reza Hassan. Lana Headley. Jin Yi Hu. Imara Howe. Kulsum Hussain. Osinaka Chiwuku Idiozu. Lee K. Zahn. Hilal Jaffa. Geraldine James. Mohammed Hamza Javed. Hasnain Javid. Barlenhull Nicole Kamaliza. Amrit Kang. Pardeep Kaur. James Keith. Ibrahim Khan. Mohammed Dean Khan. Sadia Khan. Cynthia Kindwelo. Ella Kramer. Yasmina Lasoud. Imogen Law. Mariam Layadi. Brooke Lynch. Fazna Maharouf. Noor-e-Absha Mia. Eugene Metu Onyeka. Shagor Mia. Jenny Mir. Hilsan Mohammed Adour. Fatima Mohammed Ali. Kajida Mojumdar. Shaiman Mushaka. Samiz Mustak. Hannah Naji. Aksa Naveed. Alicia O'Flynn. Chanel Afusu. Temitopu Oganiye Adelak. Olashubome Oke. Ricardo Pardal. Kaylee Parkinson. Clementine Payne. Isabel Phillips. Francesca Priestley. Jacob Quinn. Caitlin Ramsey. Abdullah Razak. Ali Raider. Hannah Sheikh. Aliyah Nawaz. Anushka Singh. Lawana Christina Soares Sambo. Daniel Solomos. Ava Suluk. Mujahid E. Aslan Tahir. Diane Trott. Jade Tucker. Marie France Helene Usher. Victoria Valador de Vicente. Ciara Marangazova. Jessica Verdades. Louisa Vunipola. Eloise Willits. Tabitha Sarah Rosetta Williams. Umara Zahir. Nigel Mihaly. Femorbek Bakiyozada. Hilsan Mohammed Odur. Deputy Vice-Chancellor, I present to you and the whole university the students graduating virtually for the award of Bachelor of Laws. Alice Bailey. Catherine Cheetle. Melissa Cocelli. Kimia Mosei. Sonia Petrova Sindanova. Noreen Fatima Sher.
Deputy Vice-Chancellor, I present to you and the whole university our student vote of thanks representative, Hannah Sheikh.
I would like to take this opportunity to firstly thank you all for being here to celebrate with us on this memorable day. I would like to thank our lecturers who have prepared us for what we hope to be a bright and promising future, as well as support staff, tutors, and others that have helped us on our journey. We sincerely thank you all for your efforts, ensuring that we have had the best opportunities to learn, build our knowledge, and gain invaluable experience. We thank you for your time, dedication, advice, and most of all, your belief in us. Greatest and most sincere thanks goes to our family and friends for their enormous support through our time at the University of Law. Our families have been supportive, understanding, patient, compassionate, and encouraging whilst we have been completing our studies, and for this we are forever truly grateful. Fellow graduates, I'm sure you are all with me when I say that we will take away many special memories with us from our time studying together, and we look forward to our futures ahead. I would like to now invite all graduates to stand and show our greatest appreciation and thanks.
Before I close this graduation ceremony, I think given the challenges of the past 18 months and the journeys we've all had to go through, can I only invite you to take one last round of applause for our graduates as they are now, and all our families and friends, and all those at the University of Law. Thank you. So it gives me great pleasure I hereby confer the degrees for which you are now qualified on all those presented to me today and all of those listed in the programme, but who are unable to attend this congregation. Once again, congratulations, well done, and all the best on all your future journeys. Thank you very much.
That concludes our graduation ceremony. Please join us for refreshments outside this hall on the lower ground floor and ground floor. Please stand.